Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing a Dungeons and Dragons miniature from WizKids. But first of all I want to say a huge thank you to my YouTube channel sponsors Goblin Gaming, who sent me the box set out for review. If you check the description box down below you'll find a direct link to their web store and you can find out more about the Dungeons and Dragons miniatures they sell on their web store. Okay, I also want to say a huge apology for the lack of content on my channel. You'll notice that there's no logos on this video. The reason is I've got to film this all in one go, as I haven't got my editing laptop at this moment in time. It's been borrowed to my daughter for university because her laptop's been repaired, so I'm without my editing laptop. But anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. So as you can see, we have one great big miniature in front of us, and it's about 4 or 5 times the height of an actual Space Marine, just to give you a sense of a scale on how big this miniature is. And the really cool thing about it is well, there's a few cool things if I'm completely honest, is it's pre-built, it's pre-primed, so you don't need to prime it. You can get on straight painting it, and the value for money that this miniature holds is just phenomenal. The range generally is $4.99 each on Goblin Gaming's website, but the large giant models are £15 like this one. But even so, this is huge miniature for just £15. I think it's, you know, as I say, superb value for money. But let's take it out of the box. So as you can see, it's pretty much pre-built apart from one arm that needs to be slotted onto the miniature there. We'll do that now. Just take the blister pack away. And as you can see, the arm just fits in like so. It's got a very big plug on the arm, as you can see. And it'll just fit on the base like so. Now, as I mentioned a moment ago, I'm just going to drop the camera down a little actually, if I can. See if we can get a better view of him. I'm filming late at night, guys, so we're going to get a lot of reflection on the miniature. But as you can see, he looks wonderful. Now I'm going to be painting this up for a tutorial, but it's not going to be for a week or so until my daughter gets her laptop back from being repaired from the Apple Centre, and I can get my own laptop back, which I'm really looking forward to getting, to be honest, because this is going to be uploaded on an absolutely ancient machine. So yeah, and as we turn him around we can see there's a few mould lines. There's one going down his back there that we can touch up with a hobby knife there. But all in all, the details are fantastic. Now, the type of plastic that this is it's quite soft, as opposed to Games Workshop's hard plastic. So it's more flexible. And I just think it's wonderful. And as I say, the value for money is fantastic. The only gripe I have with this miniature is that the details are just a little bit less sharp than what you'd see on a Games Workshop kit, as I think it's because the material is slightly different. But as you can see, if I just zoom in, let's just zoom into the details there. You can see that they are pretty sharp, like you can see on the tunic type coat he's wearing there. It's very, very good. Okay, so let me know what you think of the Dungeons and Dragons miniatures in the comments field down below. Do you collect them yourselves? Have you painted some yourselves? Let me know in the comments field down below. Don't forget to check the description box also down below for links to Goblin Gaming's web store, where you can check out this great Dungeons and Dragons miniature and other wonderful miniatures that they sell on their web store. And thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.